Hey, all my YouTube friends. So I'm just going to give you a quick update here on my 1988 Sterling Marlin Oldsmobile. Look how it focused on my finger. Anyways, doing that, I'm doing the 1990 Pontiac here. It will be the Rusty Wallace Miller Genuine Draft number 27 car. So I got all the paint, or I should say I got the white paint here ready on the Oldsmobile here. It came out pretty decent. I got a couple runs in the front there, but that's okay. I can sand it down a little bit because the bottom's going to be blue. Like, you know, in that picture there. Got the window open here. Yeah, the body's looking pretty good. It took a few coats. It didn't want, the white had a hard time covering the primer. And for some reason, once again, we're back to crackling paint. So the hood kind of did all its weird, scaly snakeskin stuff there. So that's got to be sanded down and redone. So that's just white anyway. So I can continue on the body, work on the hood separately. So, ooh, excuse me. So unfortunately, that's got that on there. So then I'm starting working here on the chassis here of the Pontiac. So not a lot going here. Just got a lot of things painted up here. The older, I got no light here. Some of the older kits here don't have the padding, so I just kind of simulated it there by some paint. And I got some stuff together here. The tires ready to go for both of them. The wheels are ready to go for both. Debating if I want to do the red line on the Miller car here, like I did doing for the Oldsmobile. But yeah, we'll go with that. I really like the way the shocks came out here. I got one in front of me. That's just silver, blue, and black. It's not really showing up there. Fortunately, that is a piece you're never going to see again. Focus. It came out real nice. I like that. Got the rear end here ready to go on the bottom. Got to do some touch-up paint here. It's got the, I should have primered all this red because the red kind of wants to come through on all the silver. Got the engine here mostly put together here. This came out really sharp. Really proud of that work there. Got to do some touch-up paint there on the header there. As you can see, kind of glued, kind of ran. The doggy's coming up to see us. Hey, Boogie. Hey, how you doing? Look up. Oh, we're here. There's the doggy. Heard me talking, so he wants to get some loving. So I got to do some touch-up paints here on this engine here. What? How you doing? Do some touch-up paints here. You're moving my arm. Touch-up paints here on the engine, and that should be pretty good in there. And I'm waiting for the front suspension piece here to dry up, and then I'll be able to put the rear end in and then build up the roll cage. So this is probably about an hour's worth. What? You're hitting my guitar there, dog, with your tail. Probably about an hour's worth of way of working here. So like I said, just a quick update showing you where I'm at. And also, I should be able to tape off tomorrow. No, don't bark at me. And we're going to keep rolling. So that's where we're at. Alright, everybody. Appreciate you watching. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. Hope it's a good one. I'll talk to you guys later.